Hello friends, I'm come back and today I'll show you how you can clear on your history on your iPhone. So usually I just show you on your Safari how you can clear your history. So if you want to clear your history, then you just go to settings. When you go to settings, then you see similar interface and you just look in the find Safari browser. Here is the Safari browser and how you can clear your history. Then if you want to clear, then you can just scroll down to up. Okay, then here in showing some option like clear history and I have set data. If you tap here, then you can clear all your history or any others data. Then I just tap here and you can just tap the all history, then it will be auto clear. Yeah, it's all done and thanks for the watching. Bye bye.